I'd say morning, but it's afternoon. My morning kind of started off pretty crappy. I didn't record it just because we were in a mass panic to get the forklift running. We had a forklift go down at the shop. Had to tear it apart. Went to throw new spark plugs in it, and it wasn't me. Trust me, it wasn't me. Somebody changed the spark plugs in it and cross-threaded one of them. So now we're looking at having to drill out the head and have it put what's called a Healy coil in it. Yay. But where this is February vacation for school, I got my 18-year-old son riding with me today. I didn't get this delivery just because that battery pack I showed you Thursday, dead. So the GoPro was dead, so I got it plugged into the truck right now trying to charge. But we got we got a commercial delivery to do. Of course, you know, I don't record those. And we got one more residential, so we'll go get these taken care of, and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, we're back in the shop right now. They're gonna do some maintenance. Got the boy. He's gonna attend to this. It's got a little corrosion, so I'm gonna have him clean the contacts up.
Yeah, a little.
Yeah, just a little bit of corrosion.
Yeah, yeah.
Evidently, he can't hear the sarcasm in my voice.
You know I'm going along with you, right?
I can turn the camera off. I gotta slap him. I got a couple fuel lines to tend to, so I'll bring you over there. Okay, what I've got to do here, I gotta replace this. You can't see it, it's probably behind there, but this line right here and this line right here. Because during real cold days, this line leaks like right in here. So we're just gonna be proactive instead of reactive. I'm just gonna change that line. Fortunately, this line goes to the top of the fuel filter, and this one comes off the side of the fuel filter, both on the housing, but. All right, we'll get these taken care of. I'll see you in a little bit. Morning, everyone. Yes, morning. This is day 2. Last night, things kind of fell apart on me. As I was changing these, get the light adjusted down here. As I was changing this line and this line here, I had to remove that line. This line here. Light does not want to cooperate. Had to remove this line. Well, in the process, there's little rubber O-rings in there. And when I went to put this line back, the O-ring came out. It came out in more than one piece. So I had to go get new O-rings. So I had to wait for those to go get those, and by the time it was quitting time. So it's next morning. I've got everything. I got the new O-rings in there. Everything's put back together. So it's time to fire it up. No, at least see if it starts. it might start and sputter because, again, fuel lines. I took the lines off the filter and off the fuel rail. So we'll see if it starts. And again, it will sputter. I'm pretty sure of that. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I got everything tight. I'm gonna double check and I'll get back. As I said, it was the next day. Because yesterday I had my son. Today,
The other one.
I have the troublemaker.
Fuck. Okay. I see how it is.
Well, I didn't record this delivery. It's snowing out, so we're trying to get these off. I got a 45-minute ride to my next delivery. I didn't undo the chain. Whoopsie. Yeah, I can't get the machine off if I don't. I hear all the conversation 15 seconds prior to hitting the button. And what I normally do is I just wait till I hear the beep, then cut that out. Damn it. There we go. I gotta get it down where it sees my face. The problem is sometimes I have the whole thing would be that screen right there, be my whole face, and I'm like, whoa! Then I watch the video. You see like 2 feet on either side of my head. So it doesn't give me an accurate view of what I see. But anyways. Alright, I'm gonna end it for the day. We're at the mill, headed back to the shop. I'd like to say thank you to my daughter for being a big help. You acting so innocent. People don't see you with your horns and pitchfork and a pointy tail.
I don't have one.
Oh yeah, you do. They come out at night at the house.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. How many people have a teenage daughter that does that? They act all sweet and innocent when they're out in the public, but when they're at home, boy, do they change sides. But anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, thank you, honey, for your help. You were quite a lot of help. Until next time, everyone.